Finally, the wait is over. Introducing XUM Coin. The value of XUM Coin will increase as the demand skyrockets. XUM Coin.
Story of our success started with the XUM coin.
A pleasant good evening to each one of you. So, what's all about? Bakit po ba tayo naandito ngayon sa Okada?
Exactly.
Of course, just to have a dinner together with our loving chairman and his family. And of course, there are some celebrities around with us tonight. It's a pleasure and honor to be with you guys. Well, let's face the reality. Whether we like it or not, we're living in a digital world. Are you agree? It means cashless society is fast approaching. Well, in fact, meron po ilang bansa sa South America, particularly in Colombia, Venezuela, Argentina, they converted already their economy into cryptocurrency, which is digital. Are we aware of that? That was 3 years ago, 2018. I was in Venezuela during that time. I used to work abroad before. I was an OFW. I used to work in Dubai, as residents in Dubai, as well in Asia and also South America. Hindi nyo po ba alam na behind na ho tayo?
Yes.
Hindi nyo rin po napansin nowadays RFID, right? Pumasok po ang pandemya, 1.5 year na po, or running for 2 years na po tayo ngayon, but still, we really don't know what's all about o ano nangyayari po sa atin. Isa lang po masasabi ko po sa inyo, God's money is gold. Government's money, fiat. Tama? Sila ko nagpo-produce yan, government natin eh. Tama po? Ano ang pera natin mga tao? Ito po ang pera ng mga tao. Once we said ito ang pera ng mga tao, decentralized po to. Once we said decentralized, wala hong pwedeng makapigil. Even the king, magistrate, rulers, president, they can't. Except digital cryptocurrency. Napakaswerte po ninyo, lahat ng naandito. We have a strong visionary man who has this plan for each one of us.
Sir.
Chairman Jesse Royo is a friend of mine. We've been together for 4 years. He's a typical networker, a leader, pero grabe po ang mission vision na itong taong ito. Marami na hong pinayaman sa Pilipinas yan. Hindi pa man po ako dumarating roon, pero papunta na po ako. And it's happening now. Hindi po nasayang ang pagdala nyo at pagpunta nyo rito. Though selected po ito, isa lang po masasabi ko. We extend our invitation sa lahat kasi we really know what's all about at ano po ito. 2008, nagsimula ang Bitcoin. No one believed. No? Wala akong naniwala. 11 years had passed. Ano po si Bitcoin ngayon? If you have 1 Bitcoin, you have 1.9 million pesos. 2021, January, umabot po ito sa halaga na 3.3 million. When Elon Musk bought about 1.5 billion US dollar, ano po nangyari? The price shook up. Why? The demand is there. Marami yung demand. Malaki ang demand. So, the value goes up. Take note of this, ha? 11 years na po si Bitcoin. Para sa mga mayayaman, negosyante, politician, I believe kaya. Pero Hahabol tayo? Bibili tayo ng 1.9 million na 1 Bitcoin? Pero kung bababa sa 100,000 yan, baka nagbilihan lahat. Tama po? Okay? See the vision and mission of our very dear Chairman Jesse Royo. Nakita po ninyo ang vision mission niya. If you have 1 XUM now, the value of it is 5 pesos. The very essence of doing this launching summit, in order for us, maintindihan po natin itong ginagawa po natin. Ano po ito? May pera ka nga sa bahay, million. Tabi mo ng 1 taon, still 1:1, million pa rin. Tama? If you have 1,000 Bitcoin or 100 XUM or 1,000 XUM, after 3 months, 6 months, what happened then? Lumalaki po ang value. At ito po ang maganda. Meron po tayong tinatawag na community. Once we said community, napakalaking factor po nito. Ibig sabihin, may nagpapatronize, may nagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga sa ating XUM. To all barters, to all merchant, congratulations. Mahusay po kayo mag-isip, kayong mga negosyante. Maganda po ang inyong sinimulaan at papunta na po tayo ron. Hindi ho kakayanin ni Chairman to. We need each one of us. Magtulungan po tayo. Nakakatuwa po itong nangyari po sa atin na ito. I was overwhelmed. Natutuwa po talaga ako. Napapunta po tayo rito. We're living in a digital world. Isa lang po masasabi ko sa inyo. 2020 lockdown, right? January 2020, pumutok ang Taal. March 2020, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte declared lockdown. Tama po. I myself, I'm doing mining and I'm doing cryptocurrency. Sa loob ng 6 na buwan na nasa bahay lang ako at ang partner ko at ang family ko, I enjoy the perks and benefits that came from cryptocurrency. Sa loob ng 6 na buwan, I earned $20,000 US. Imagine, nasa bahay ka lang, kumita ka ng ganon. Saan ho tayo papunta? Ito po si XUM, yun po ang pupuntahan. If they had, what you call this, Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a mother of all cryptocurrency and we have about 4,000 cryptocurrency around the global or around the world. Mother of all cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Dapat nga maging proud tayo eh. The only Filipino ever who has this blockchain. No other than Chairman Jesse Royo. A round of applause, please. Imagine, ano? Nakakatuwa, no? Dapat proud tayo. Pilipino may-ari ng blockchain. And it took me 6 months when I joined with an international company na wala pong tinatawag na exchanger and even the value, hindi ko alam kung paano kikita yung pera ko. But after 6 months during the lockdown, yun, lumabas po yung halaga at value. The crypto that I mine, walang exchanger, walang halaga. After 6 months, 7 months, $72 ang isa. Goes up to $490 US. Same DNA, same core value, doon po ang pupuntahan ni XUM. Kaya sa may mga XUM, I congratulate you in advance. Will na po ito nang nasa itaas. I'd just like to acknowledge also the presence of our brand ambassadors. 5 po kaming brand ambassadors ng MMBC na naandito po sa tabi natin ngayon. Maraming salamat po. I hope and pray na naintindihan niyo po ang aming maiksing presentation regarding cryptocurrency. Marami pong salamat. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Exumerian. Salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's our video for XUM Exchange.
XUM Exchange. A superior technology with multi-dimension security protection system to ensure the safety and security of your digital assets. XUM Exchange is fast and efficient fiat to crypto and crypto to crypto trading experience with excellent